Actually, today I don't have a plan to make my vlog, but since I saw the places, I love the beauty of the nature, so I changed my mind and I thought of making vlog to let you enjoy this beauty of the nature. Okay, I just came to see the beauty of the nature. Wow, it was so beautiful. Look. These guys are enjoying playing football. Can you see that right up there? That you see so many buildings. Those buildings are the Assam Rifles. It's also Assam Rifle quarters. And this place we call it Esawaja. You can come for fishing, picnics. Nice spot for picnic. Now, let's go to the other side and see. Parking. It's very nice. Wow, this building. Very nice. Really? If you want to know this place where it is in Mocha. See, this is this, man. I hope you'll be enjoying seeing all this nature. Beauty of the nature. Yeah. Wow. It's getting late. The sun has already set, so I know whether I can take the picture clearly or not. Anyway, let me show you. The sun is already set. Ini gila bro. Ah, 자. 또 누구 된 자야 민주당 아닌데.
YB Jamil.
YB Jami gizi. And this is residence of YB Jami. Okay, see. I'll show you the compound. See, what a beautiful house, man. I really enjoy seeing this compound and this place. You have a visit. Okay. This is the residence of YB Jami. He's from Bangki village. So this is the owner of this house and then his farmhouse and his surrounding. It's very nice. You want to give some information to our people? Okay,
This
please.
locality, we call this airfield colony.
Okay.
This is airfield colony because
Uh-huh.
during the Second World War,
Uh-huh.
the Allied forces and Britishers, they have decided to open this airport for
Airport.
landing small planes.
That is the one, huh?
So yeah, this,
Right up there, huh?
this entire plane,
For letting small flights.
yeah.
Okay.
So we give the name as a airfield colony.
Airfield colony.
Yes.
Good.
So you can visit anytime. Most welcome. Anybody can visit.
Okay. thank you for your information.
Okay, thank you.
God bless you. Thank you so much. See you. Bye. If you are wondering where is it, this is in Woka. The pineapples is blended jackfruits, mango trees. This is his vehicle. And then another building for multi-purpose. Look at the bananas. This is how he blended vegetables. Maybe these are beans. I think so. These are beans. The place where they keep big. This time it doesn't have any big. Anyway, look at the surrounding. Look at the surrounding. The sun has already set. While I'm taking reverse, I dashed this fencing, but nothing happened. Okay guys, let me run up a video for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video, but please don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.